Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a high volatility new token trading bot. I've been asked for, a lot of my viewers have been asking me to do a step-by-step tutorial exactly how this is set up. So first step you're going to want to come to is cryptotools.cc. So we're going to launch it. And go over to the drop down and go to the IDE. You're going to come to this page when you click on it. This is where you're going to paste in the volatility code. And you're going to see this contract has almost 1,000 lines of code to it. It's a big contract. And the reason we're launching it over here is because this IED will package all the actions into one block, so you only pay one gas fee. Otherwise, this would cost 3 times as much to launch if you used Remix versus the crypto tools. So this is a high profit volatility new token trading bot. What this does is buys the tokens, new tokens, the minute they come into liquidity. It works on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or QuickSwap, and it chooses those based on the way you deploy it, whatever network it's deployed on. And it buys those new tokens. The minute it buys them, it almost sells them within the next block. But the kicker is on those new tokens, if you can get them the minute they come out, or the second they come out, they almost double in price the next block over. So, let me get up to here. So this is important here. You might want to, I'll have a link to this contract code. I'll make a GitHub for this contract code. But this is important to note here is if you deploy it on the Ethereum network, you need to add this amount, BNB, that amount, and Polygon, that amount in Matic. That'll be on the next page here, but you'll want to make a copy of that just to make sure you do it correctly. So we're going to go run compiler once we have the code in here. Okay, compiled with no errors, and you want to, if there's an error, then you don't want to go any further than that. You want to figure out what the error is. So I'm going to launch this on the Ethereum network. Now there's some options down here. You have to make sure you pick them correctly. We want to go deploy, add. This is add Ethereum to the contract, and then we're going to run the action. So we're going to want to pick this one. And when we click that, set amount to the contract. So we want to set 0.05, and that amount is what we were just talked about inside the contract is written down. So depending on which blockchain you choose right here, you're going to have to set this correctly to that. Okay, the owner of the contract. Now this is where you want the funds to go when this trading bot completes. So I always set up a new address each time I do this. So right now this has 0 inside of it, so it's a brand new address. I'm going to paste that into there, make sure. Okay, and then I'm going to go calculate amount. Okay, so I have to pay this fee here. I'm going to pay with my phone. Scan it. Okay. That should come up as paid in a second. As soon as it detects you on the blockchain, there we go. Awesome. And it even has a little thing here you can scan and check out the transaction if you need to. So now since that ran, we're going to go back over here And we're just going to wait. It could take up to 5 minutes sometimes. Sometimes it could take a tiny bit more. But I've never had this fail me yet. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. That's freaking insane. I'm in utter shock right now. I've never had it go this high. I know because of the volatility right now that it's going crazy. But yeah, this is I mean that's close to, oh god. Um it's close to $32,500 that I've made just from, wow. So I'll leave the um the link down in the description. I might actually try this again, just just to see if it's gonna keep going that high of amount. Usually you can expect around maybe 4 times, 5 times what you put in. I've never had to go this high before. I've always had to go at least five. Usually, actually, I would say about between 5 times to 10 times the amount you put in. But yeah, this is a huge amount. So don't just always expect that. But I mean, it might be. I mean, it's hard to tell from the volatility right now. But I'll leave the link down in the description for the code, and make sure you go to launch it, the cryptotools.cc, and in the menu bar, click on the Solidity IDE. I don't think there's a lot of options there. It's like an open source website. But wow. I'm gonna go and have a beer and celebrate. I will leave all the links and everything in the description. Thank you for watching.